Alright, let's talk about the $3,000 used car. Is it still a smart move in 2024, especially after 10,000 miles? Buckle up because I've got some answers for you. Picture this, you're scrolling through listings, and there it is. A decent-looking car for $3,000. You're thinking, this could be it. Reliable, cheap, and gets me from A to B. But, does it hold up after 10,000 miles? Let me break it down. First off, the price tag. At $3,000, you're not just buying a car, you're buying someone else's history with that car. It's been through life. And probably a few questionable oil changes. The key here? Inspection. Always get a pre-purchase inspection. A mechanic can spot hidden issues like a dying transmission or sneaky rust that could turn this deal into a money pit. Now, after 10,000 miles, here's what I've seen. Maintenance is everything. If the previous owner kept up with it, you might just hit the jackpot. But if they didn't, expect to shell out for essentials like brakes, tires, and maybe even a timing belt. Oh, and don't forget oil changes. It's a $50 habit that can save your engine. But let's talk reliability. At this price point, you're usually looking at older sedans or compact cars. Think Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, maybe a Ford Focus. These are solid choices if they've been taken care of. I've seen Civics with over 200,000 miles still going strong. But I've also seen cars die at 120,000 miles because they weren't maintained. Fuel economy? Not bad. Many older compacts can still get 30 miles per gallon. But don't expect cutting-edge tech like Apple CarPlay or advanced safety features. You're rolling with the basics here. So, is it worth it? Here's the deal. If you're on a tight budget and find a car with good service records, a clean title and no major red flags, a $3,000 car can be a great investment. Just be ready to spend a little extra for repairs and upkeep. At the end of the day, a $3,000 car is all about trade-offs. You're giving up some luxuries and taking on risk, but you're also saving a ton compared to a new car payment. So do your homework, get it checked, and enjoy the ride, because hitting the road for cheap never goes out of style. That's it for today. Let me know your thoughts below. What's your $3,000 car story? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.